I'm out doing a bit of drainage here, and last time I did some drainage, a few people asked about trying to get onto the old clay drain, which is this old drain here that used to be used everywhere. Now, it can be problematic because a lot of the time it's haunched in concrete. That should be a lean mix concrete, but you can never tell until you get there. So if it is lean mix and you chip away at it very gently with a chisel, you can be lucky. Sometimes it just keeps breaking back and back and back, and it's an absolute nightmare. But what you're looking for, one way or another, use a little angle grinder, take away most of the concrete and just leave yourself a little bit to do at the end. And then you need one of these adapters. Now, this is a Flexseal adapter. They make these for all kinds of drains, but this will go on the end here. It's got some Jubilee clips, stainless steel, to tighten it up. And into the other end, we're going to put the plastic pipe, and then we're going to put in this little mini chamber. This is all we're having. It's not very big, obviously, but it'll be big enough to just get a rod or a jet wash in there. This is surface water. It's not foul water, so there's nothing bad going through here, just God's own water falling from the heavens, and hopefully there won't be too much debris in it, but we still want to leave ourselves a way through, not least because back in this old drain, we know there's a little bit of tree root activity in there that periodically blocks it up. So we're going to get this in and we're going to join it up with the existing run. We've had a bit of a game here actually down here where we've just changed the fall of the drain to accommodate this, because the one thing we all know is water runs downhill, payday's Friday. Well, that's two things, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to crack on. Okay.
It's another 4 inches.
That's it, that's in there. That's the one.
Oh, I've always found, I don't know what it is, putting short bits of pipe into a fitting never seems to work.
Hunter. Except when I do it.
Oh yeah, well, you're the exception, aren't you?
So that'll be 6 inches, yeah?
6, let's go 6.
Right, so I'll go and get these banking plugs, yeah? So this was always going to be a little bit touch and go because we were dealing with levels there. We were trying to match up next door and get down to the sewer. We just about made it. It's not a 1 in 40 fall, which is what we would have liked, which you would definitely need if you were putting sewage down here. But because there are no solids, it's only rainwater, we've got a fall, and that's what we're going to go with. It doesn't leak and it works. Now we're going to put some pea shingle. Very important to put pea shingle around plastic drain, because what you want is the pea shingle to flow. It's a free flowing material, and if there's any voids underneath the drain, any of the ground sinks away, the pea shingle miraculously just flows down, trickles down and supports the drain underneath, and it also evens the load on the top. So if you had a point load on it, if somebody ran a truck over it or something, that little bit of pea shingle around the top just spreads the load rather like a Roman arch.